Hello, my name is Dr. Nish Sonwalkar. I'm adjunct professor of physics in University of Massachusetts, Boston, and I'm also managing director and founder of Synaptic Global Learning. This company is dedicated for the generation of adaptive learning MOOCs. You must have heard about the problem of jobs in the United States. Everyone talks about it, all politicians talk about it, and the fact is that jobs are there in the advanced manufacturing industry, high-tech industry, and the problem is these companies cannot find qualified people who are qualified in the area of STEM. Have you ever imagined to become a scientist, engineer, technologist, or mathematician? If you have thought about that, then you have lots of jobs waiting for you in very great companies like Microsoft, Google, and all the new high-tech companies in the life science area. So how do you participate in this revolution which is happening in the advanced manufacturing and all the new high-tech area? You have to become expert, or you have to get education in the area of STEM, which stands for science, engineering, technology, and mathematics. For you to join a STEM company, or you need to get educated in the great universities which are offering science, engineering, technology, and mathematics area, you have to have background in these areas. And what we found that most of the school system do not offer advanced courses in science, engineering, technology, and mathematics, which normally becomes advanced placement courses like AP Physics or AP Science or AP Chemistry. Those courses are offered not in all schools. So if you are from one of those schools, this is where you have now opportunity to learn about some of the STEM courses. So we started working with the National Science Foundation as an SBIR grant, where we received a grant for doing adaptive learning for the STEM education using MOOCs. So with that, we are beginning our journey for creating these very highly effective adaptive MOOCs in the area of STEM. And the first course that we are doing is called Adaptive Physics MOOC. So let's talk about what is this new course on adaptive learning physics. As you know, physics has a lot of domains. It has domain of kinematics, it has domain of fluid, electricity, magnetism, and anywhere you go or any science area you choose, you have to have basic understanding of physics. So this physics course will talk about different kinds of matters, where you have crystalline matters, where you have different kinds of solids, liquids, and their behavior going from one state to another one. And then we'll also talk about the basic kinematics from the Newtonian physics, or what we call classical physics, where there are lots of motion. And the motion happens in the planetary way between different planets, all the way to atoms which are really vibrating at all times. And in this MOOC course, you will get 5 different learning strategies to learn with, which include apprentice, incidental, inductive, deductive, and discovery. And the software will figure out what learning strategy really works for you and provide you continuous intelligent feedback so you can reach highest competency. And that's where you can master fundamentals of physics. So I welcome you to join this adaptive physics course and develop your competency in the area of fundamentals of physics and start your journey for a very rewarding career in the STEM areas. I want to thank again National Science Foundation for funding us through SBIR grant, and I also want to thank Dr. Glenn Larsen, who is the Cognizant program director for this project, and I want to include you in this new revolution of adaptive MOOCs that are going to change this world. Thank you.